MPP peeps. Looks like a bit of at least the start of a consolidation day. We'll see what happens as the rest of the day moves on. But we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight days of gains. It makes sense that on a seventh day, we finally get a little rest. So, there might not be much action today. You go to the VIX. VIX is pretty muted as well. Up about 2.31%, but still way down here. I would love for it to break these lows right here of 2090 and get down into the teens. I think that could really serve the bull's purpose. If we could get down past this channel and into a new lower channel, that'd be much, much preferred. But, this is still pretty good. We'll continue to monitor this throughout the week. If we start getting a VIX spike and a close at the high of day, that will tell us something. But as of now, oh, nice. Looks like we're selling off. As of now, VIX is showing no fear. As far as new plays, guys, went over this yesterday. This SNDL is gapping up this morning. It's trying to break this bull flag right here. And my next target is this 180. Since this is going to be probably a really volatile trade, and the 10 SMA is about 25% away, I'm probably going in pretty light. Instead of like a third position, I'm probably only going in like a sixth position of this. So, but still nice risk reward. At it's 2-to-1 risk reward. So, this is definitely a risky play. If you don't like risky, volatile trades, I would stay out of this one. But if it does continue higher this morning, I'm going to go in probably a sixth position and go for this 180. Another one I saw on my scans last night is this edit. Dig this setup right here. If you look, the retrace, it's about a 0.50. 0.50 retrace. It's held it and now back above its 10 SMA. And you got, a downtrend line that started from the top, and we're now back above that downtrend line. And if we're just playing for a bounce, I think we at least get 76. And then bottom end kind of scenario, we're looking at much higher, and that's 128. But I'm playing for 76, 77 first. If we get a break of the first 10-minute candle higher, and then take some off, and then go for this 128. Okay, but this one looks good. This is in the gene therapeutic space. We're also, we have CRISPR on the ready to rock list, and that could still go too. So it looks like these names, these genomic names, I don't know if I'm saying that right, genomic. These names have all pulled back. Like your CRISPRs, your edits, your NVTAs, all these names in that space have all pulled back, and it looks like they're trying to bottom and start heading higher. So the entire space might be ready to move up, and we can take advantage of that by playing these individual names. So like this edit. And then another one I went over yesterday. This is a SPAC. A lot of billionaires behind this SPAC. Peter Thiel's behind it. He's a pretty smart dude. If he can get above this downtrend line, I'm interested to go for this 22. So I'll be watching this name today as well. That's all I have for today. Not a lot. There can be some more names that pop up throughout the day. And, we still have a lot of ready to rock names that haven't quite triggered yet. Like, this CRISPR, like I said, it looks good and get above yesterday's high. And, this OCUL also looks pretty good if it can get above yesterday's high as well. So we have plenty of names to watch and make some money with if if we can get some continuation higher. And then, of course, this thing, I actually sold my coins last night at 47,000. So we got up to 48,216. I sold at 47. My target was 50. I was so happy with my profits at 47. I just took it. Are not still in the GBTC. And, this one could go well past 50,000, guys. This thing could go, the 2.618, if it continues higher, we're looking at, let me draw that, 63,000. So, this thing could really go. So, if you're in the Bitcoin, I recommend, taking at least some profit here. And if you want to go for higher, I think we could go much higher. Me personally, I was happy with my profits. I just took them, and we'll try to buy a pullback. But man, this is a good looking chart. All right, anybody have any questions or any thoughts, any new tickers you want me to look at? All good? Anybody? Going once? Going twice? All right. Well, I will see you guys this afternoon. Let's see if some of these trades can trigger. Until then, don't trade for thrills. Just consistently make those dollar bills, guys. See ya.